Okay, let's go. To open the box, we have to find the key. It seems the key is inside this egg. Oh, damn. Why are these eggs so small? Yo, ho, ho, ho. I finally got it. Okay, let's check it. What the fuck is it? Oh, hell nah. The key's inside here. This is the key to the box. Only one key left. The key to this damn cupboard. Yo, where are you running to, you damn bird? Okay, let's open up. What the fuck? Why is it full of fucking shit? Oh yeah, finally the key is here. Let's open this treasure box. Hopefully it contains $100 million. What? What? What the fuck is this? Are you serious? Where's the money? Oh shit, this is just a piece of fucking shit.